Hi there, it's Ina here and welcome to my art room. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please push the bell icon so you will receive notification of all my regular uploads. So this video is part of a video hop called #FoundArtHop18. Now I will be working on the small recycled wall plaque. I already gessoed the surface and it did come with a wire hanger. I will be creating a rather simple collage and the process will be super easy for you to follow. So let me explain just a few more things about this hop. As the title gave away, we will be creating some simple pieces of art. We will leave them in a public place to be found. We will take a photo where we place our items and post it with the hashtag on different social networks without giving away the immediate location. And then the finder will be able to contact us through the same hashtag. So this little endeavor has a bit of excitement and anticipation added to it. And thanks so much, Jamie, for organizing this and working out all the details. Of course, several artists will be participating in this hop, and you will find a link to the next video below in my description box. Enjoy! So my little project is done, and as you saw, I added a label which all of the artists will add to their projects. And again, don't forget to follow the link below or to type in the hashtag to make sure to see all the videos in this hub. Thank you so much for coming. Bye bye for now.